Hello children, I started the Nayakas lesson of Nayakas, Palaigaras and Nadakurmus. In that we learned about the Nayakas of Keladi and Nayakas of Chitradurga. Yes, no children. In the Chitradurga teaching video, I given and the one more video attached to that one. It is made by the Keen Master children. Watch it carefully. I hope many of you already seen that one. Now, one more Nayakas we are learning, that is the Nayakas of Surpur. This also having a very interesting story children. So, listen with the interest only children. Then only learn the lesson. See, the Nayakas of Surpur we are learning. Surpur, where it is? It is in Yadgiri district children. Surpur is in the north part. After Bijapur it is between Krishna and Bhima river children. Krishna and Bhima river. This Surpur is in between these two rivers, Krishna and Bhima river. Usually the place between two rivers is called Doba children. D-O-B-A, Doba. This Surpur is Doba only. It is between two rivers. Krishna and Bhima. Okay. Yes. See children, these Surpur Nayakas, nearly 12 Nayakas ruled the Surpur province. Got it? Then the first one is Gittipida Nayaka. He is the first ruler of the Surpur province. And the Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka is the last Nayaka of the Surpur province. Then, see children, these Surpur Nayakas, this Gittipida Nayaka and Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka, these Gittipida's Nayaka's ancestors, his elders, they were Nayakas during the Vijayanagar period, Vijayanagar kingdom. They are ruling some part as a Nayakas. But after the collapse of Vijayanagar Empire, all the Nayakas declared themselves as a kings. South part Nayakas, they declared themselves as a kings. But it is in the north part. North part, it is under the control of Adil Shahis. Do you remember? Adil Shahis. Bahmani Sultanate only divided into 5. And after that in the 5 parts, 3 parts again they merged into the Adil Shahis. You already learned all this one in the Bahmani Sultanate. So, Adil Shahis were the strongest one. They were ruling the north part of the Karnataka. That time, this Gittipida Nayaka, he taken the official permission from the Adil Shahis. As they are ruling that part as a Nayakas since from the Vijayanagar period, he asked the official permission from the Adil Shahis by giving the lump sum amount to the Adil Shahis. Simply they will give her what? He has to pay for that, no? So he given the lot of money for that and he taken back that Surpur. First, when they have taken the area, that time they made Vaghenagiri, here it is there, Vaghenagiri as their capital. From there they started, when the Gittipida started the kingdom, he made Vaghenagiri as a capital. But after one more Nayaka came, his name is Pitambari Bahari Pida. His name, yes, Bahari Pida Nayaka. He made Surpur as a capital. He improved the Surpur city and he made his capital city. Follow children. Surpura Nayakas are from the ancient time only. They are the Nayakas from the Vijayanagar. This Gittipida Nayaka taken the official permission from the Adil Shahis and started ruling. From that time, the Surpura Nayaka's rule started. When he started the kingdom, that time Vaghenagiri was the capital. Afterwards, this Pitambari Nayaka, he made the Surpur as a capital. And nearly 12 Nayakas ruled this Surpur province. Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka is the last most popular and powerful king from the Surpur. Got it children? This is all about the Surpur Nayakas. Now we learn about the Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. It's a very interesting story. It is children. Listen it. Take these points. Yes, I wrote about the Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. He is the son of Raja Krishnappa Nayaka. The Raja Nalvadi's father is Raja Krishnappa Nayaka. Because of ill health, this Krishnappa Nayaka died when he was very small. 17 years old he was. That time only his father died and he became the king or Nayaka of the Surpur province. But he already started learning in the English school children. Very interesting story about this Surpur Nayaka. Listen it carefully. Okay, children? Yes, Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka, he learned in an English school. As he go on educating himself, he got the knowledge about independence, motherland, patriotism. Day by day is growing in him. He came to know about the cunning policies of the British, how they are torturing India, how they are looting the wealth of India, how they are suppressing the Indians. He came to know about all this one. He got the knowledge about this one while learning in the English medium school. So when he became the king, first what he made, he secured the Surpur fort. He made protection, strong protection he made to the Surpur fort. And he taken the help of the Arabs. Arabs also were there. He taken the help of the Arabs and given the training for his army. Trained army he built it up. Even though he is small, he got all the information how to protect himself. And after getting the knowledge about the British cunning policies, he started unifying the South Indian kings. In South India, many kings were there. He started unifying them because British were very powerful one. They are having weapons. They are very strong one. So individual king can't defeat them. But if all are unifying means you can defeat the British. He came to know about this one. So he started unifying the all South Indian kings. He started telling them what are the cunning policies of British, why they are ruling, they are foreigners, it is our motherland, we must get the freedom. Like this, he started advising the other South Indian kings. But British by that time they are very strong one children. Unifying anyone or public meeting and all, going against the British policy and all is very much restriction was there. In that time, he taken the risk and he started all this one. But British officer, he came to know about all this one. About the activities, attitudes of the Surpur Nayaka. Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. He came to know about all the activities of the Venkatappa Nayaka. Then he wrote the letter to the British government. 1 minute, children. Yes, when he came to know about the activities of the Venkatappa Nayaka, he wrote the letter to the British office captain only he wrote. Army chief is, his name is Campbell. Here I wrote children, take down all these points. One of the British officer wrote the letter to the British captain Campbell that Surpur Nayaka is going against the policies of the British. You must suppress him. You have to control the power of the Surpur, like that he wrote in the letter. So, on the basis of the letter, this Campbell given the order to the British officer that capture the Surpur fort. He given the order. So, British army attacked the Surpur fort. But before that only, Venkatappa Nayaka, he made lot of security for the Surpur fort and his army is also trained. They defeated the British army. In that fight, the British officer only died. Again, it is insult for the British, no? They were ruling whole India. For them, such a small king, age is very small one, 17 or 22, it was his age children. That time he killed the British officer. Then they were very angry on the Surpura Nayakas. Then they decided anyhow they have to capture the Surpur fort as well as Venkatappa Nayaka also. Surpur Venkatappa Nayaka also know the tendency of the British. He also came to know that when they lost one of their officer, they will also not sit quiet. Again, they may attack him. So, to prepare for their attack, what he made, he decided to take the help of the Arab army. So, he went to Hyderabad to take the help of the Arab army. He only went to take that one. By that time, this British were searching for the Venkatappa Nayaka. He went in a disguised dress. As a king, he not went. As a normal one, changed his dress up. Disguise means understand, no? He changed his dress and he went to Hyderabad to take the help of the Arab army. But what happened, children? That time Nizam was ruling the Hyderabad. In that, Salar Jung was the prime minister. There I wrote, Salar Jung is a very famous and strong prime minister of the Hyderabad Nizam. He is having the wish to take the award from the British. British usually did that work only. Who are helping them, they used to give a lot of money to them. So, in that greediness, this Hyderabad, the Prime Minister Salar Jung, his name, he given the secret that where Venkatappa Nayaka is hiding. He is in Hyderabad only. He came to know about this place and he given this secret message to the British to take the award from the British. British came to Hyderabad and they captured the Venkatappa Nayaka. Very miserable, no children? So they captured him. As he went against the British policies, they decided to hang him. Death sentence only they given him. But again, one of the British officer, he reduced his punishment. He said, as is a small one, don't want death punishment. Give him 4 years deportation. That means he must keep away from his province for 4 years. Somewhere far away jail, they must keep him. Like that way, he given the punishment. When British officer taking him to that far away place, somewhere in the jail, they want to keep him. They were taking, but in between the transportation only, what they made near Chandigarh Pet it is. Near Madras it is. Chandigarh Pet is a place name. There, in between the place only, they shooted him. They shooted, but they given the wrong message to the people that he committed the suicide. That is the end of the Venkatappa Nayaka as well as the end of the Surpur Nayaka's rule also. Very miserable end, no children? Like this way, all British people used to tell the false news only. Regarding Chennam also, they told the same thing. They shooted at her jail, but they said she committed the suicide. Same thing they did with the Surpura Nayakas also. They killed him, but they said to the people that he committed the suicide. But what agreement was made between Hyderabad Nizam and the British? That if they are helping British means they will give the Surpur province to the Nizam only. So after the death of Venkatappa Nayaka, this Surpur went under the control of Hyderabad Nizam. Hyderabad Nizam started Surpur and he started ruling Chidar. So even till today you are going to this Surpur Yadgiri means they are mixing Hindi and Urdu in Kannada Chidar. Their language, Kannada only they are speaking, but language is different. Very easily they will mix the Hindi and Urdu word in Kannada. Okay, because this Nizam ruled that one. Because of that one, till today you are having the effect that one. Then about the liberation of Karnataka in the 6th standard you learned children this one. We got independence in the 1947. Yes, no? But Hyderabad Nizam was not ready to give Hyderabad to the Indian government. Then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he surrounded the Hyderabad city with the Indian army. Then Hyderabad Nizam surrendered the Hyderabad to the Indian government. And after that, Hyderabad included in the Indian government. That is on September 17, 1948. 1 year late it is. You know this all story, children. In the 6th standard only you learned this one. Okay, no? Yes. This is all about the Surpura Nayakas. What is their contribution? We will learn that one. Take these points. Yes. Their contribution, children. First, they made the pro-people programs. That means for the development of the people, they made the many programs. Like building the temples, water tanks, and agraharas, learning center, matas, all that one they made for the people. They worked for the welfare of the people. Then, Inam in the land. Inam means gift, children. They gifted the land to the two temples, that is Venkataramana temple and Gopal Swami temple. For this temple, they gifted the very vast land. Then they encouraged given the shelter for the artists, sculptors and musicians. For all of them, they given the shelter, encouraged them, and they given many facility for all these artists. Next, very famous in the Surpura Nayakas is Surpura paintings. In the world, they are famous as a Surpur painting only, children. Till today, you can see their paintings. They are in the Salarjung Museum. It is in Hyderabad, children, and in London Museum. Okay, in these two museums, till today, you can see the Surpur painting. They are world famous, you can say. Why they are world famous? What are these paintings? See, children, this Surpur painting, miniature art, you can say this one. Miniature means very big story in a small block only. By painting only they will tell that stories. Miniature art it is called. So in that they are famous. Many Hindu mythology is there, children. Ramayana is there, Mahabharata is there, Bhagavad Gita is there. Then Ganga Avatar and all. Many stories are there. All that one they duplicated in a small block. With a painting they told the story. So they are world famous as a Surpur paintings. Got it, children? Salar Manazin Jung. Salar Jung, just I told, he is the Prime Minister of Hyderabad Nizam. Very powerful. He is more than Nizam, children. Nizam simply enjoying in the palace. Every administration, handling army, wagging war and all is done by the Salar Jung. So he is more famous than the Hyderabad Nizam. So museum is in his name only. Salar Jung Museum it is. 3-story museum is there, children. You are visiting Hyderabad means definitely see that one. And special one clock is there. Till today it is working. Every day afternoon 12 o'clock one bird will come, it will make this sound and it will go inside. Till today that clock is working. And if you are visiting the Salar Jung Museum means you can see the old weapons, ornaments, and while wagging the war, what jackets they are wearing, what knife they are using, everything they kept in the Salar Jung Museum. Yes, no? Yes, visit that one. Okay, this is all about the Surpur paintings. Follow, children. I hope you enjoyed the Surpura Nayakas lesson. Now I will give the homework for this. Take their contributions. Yes. 4 questions are wrote, children. Who is the founder of Surpura programs? Who founded it? Which is the first capital city of Surpura Nayakas? Then, who is the last ruler of Surpura Nayakas? Then, who helped the British to capture the Venkatappa Nayaka? These 4 questions you have to write, children. Carefully watch the video and write all these homework, children. After school reopening, we'll check all this one. Okay. Thank you for